to install Anydesk inside your computer. It is too much easy and simple to install Anydesk. So first of all, you have to download Anydesk in your computer. So for that one, just you have to open your Chrome. Then you have to search Anydesk. Okay, just you have to type Anydesk. After that, just press enter. Now you can see here, you will get this link and you will get the definition of this software. So this is one of the remote desktop application distributed by Anydesk software, 𝗬𝗵𝗲, like that. Then just you have to click in the Anydesk, the first remote desktop application. Okay, then after that you have to click in the download now. After clicking in the download now, so now you can see here it will download for your computer. Okay, so it is telling that your download is ready. You can use Anydesk right away, and the total file size is 3.8 MB only, and you can easily use this one. Okay guys, so now you can see it is successfully downloaded. So just you have to click here and click in the open. So after clicking in the open, so now you can see your Anydesk is opening. So in this way you can easily install your Anydesk inside your computer. Okay, so in this way you can easily install your Anydesk in your local computer. Okay, so but remember one thing, don't give your address or your Anydesk address to anyone, because other scammers can hack your computer. So that's why be aware from this. Thank you so much.